Hello friends, in this lecture we will try to understand introduction to big data. Nowadays there are many applications which are generating massive amount of digital data. This data is in heterogeneous format as well as the amount of data is very big. Categorization and analysis of all this data has become very important. The business decisions, organization policies, and many other things are depending on categorization and analysis of this data. For this purpose, some architectures are required who will identify, filter out, and categorize various types of data. Hadoop is one of them. Hadoop is a Apache project which was initially executed by Google team in 2004. Nowadays, it is executed by Apache. We'll try to understand few introductory things about big data. Hadoop is a collection of massive and complex data sets. If you are taking into consideration social media applications like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, all these applications are generating huge amount of data per day. Whenever that particular data is stored at the backend, there is a necessity that the complete data will be stored in a proper way. So that particular data can be used in the future for making business decisions. So basically, big data is nothing but collection of massive and complex data sets, as well as large amount of heterogeneous digital data is always available. Heterogeneous data means the data which is having a different type of attributes which are not at all similar to each other. For example, we can do categorization of all the queries which are generating hit count in Facebook. Let us consider multiple number of users are visiting a particular page. Now, whenever we want to observe from which particular region those users are visiting, as well as how much amount of time they are spending on that page. So, whatever logs in terms of network connections are generated by these users, they are heterogeneous. The amount of time they are spending that is calculated in terms of IP addresses, in terms of MAC addresses, in terms of timeouts, in terms of TTL. So all these things are generating heterogeneous type of data. The third one is social media analytics and real-time data. As we discussed before, the data which is generated by Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, that is going for analytics at real time as well as after storing it. There are few challenges which are available in big data, that is capturing, analysis, storage, searching, sharing, visualization and transferring of all these data, as well as the privacy is the most important concern. If you are taking into consideration the amount of big data, all these points which are mentioned over here, they are crucial point of discussion. So this is the introductory point to the big data. In coming lectures, we will try to identify with respect to Hadoop as well as with respect to stream processing, how exactly we can capture, analyze, store, search, share, and visualize the big data. Thank you.